Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are exploring Sambalpur Zoo, which is also known as Deer Park. So in this video we will be covering the wild journey, experiencing various adventures throughout the zoo. So this was our first encounter with the black Samba, which was a really wonderful experience. Then I found the most beautiful aqua house, which had many fishes in it. Look at this big fish in this aquarium. More and more aquariums like this displayed beautiful species of fishes like these. Then I entered the most fascinating, the nocturnal house. It was very cool and wonderful, and I was amazed to see these rare animals. Then I explored further into the house. In the stillness of its glass sanctuary, the silent guardian is resting like a unbothered sculpture. So amazing. Look at the magnificent peacock and its partner, the peahen, both together waiting for the rain. After that, I saw another species of deer, and then a space where children could play, a nice park inside the zoo. let's continue our journey deep into the zoo. So this is red spotted deer, which is the specialty of this zoo. There were many new plantation techniques and various medicinal plants also. So let's start our journey hiking up the mountain, which is the Brook Hills.